In order to construct two congruent segments that meet at a vertex, I use the circle tool. So to do this, I go to the circle with 2 points, not the one with 3. Click it and get the circle with center through point tool. I click once in the workspace to drop the center of the circle, move my pointer to build the circle, click again to drop a point on the circle. So now I can move the circle. These are the 2 control points by moving the center or that point. Now I want to create a segment from A to B, so I go to the segment tool, click A, click B, I have my segment. Now I want to do another segment from A that's congruent to AB. So I click on A again, and this time go to another point on the circle and click, and it drops point C. Now, since the center of a circle is the same distance to all the points on the circle, AC is congruent to AB. And I can move around C, and it still stays congruent to AB. I can still change the size of the circle with B and A, but C doesn't change the size of the circle because it's not a control point for the circle. Now, I have my segments. I'm done with the circle, so I want to hide the circle. So I go to this button on the end, click that, and I get the Show Hide Object tool. Click that, and then I click the circle, and we see the circle is grayed out. So now when I click off the Show Hide tool, maybe to the Move tool, the circle is gone. If I want the circle back, I just go back to the Show Hide tool, and it's grayed out still. But if I click it, it becomes solid, so that now I can see it whenever I want. But I don't want it, so I go back to Show Hide, click that circle again, it grayed out, and it's gone. So now I can move these, and the 2 segments stay congruent. Notice A and B change the lengths of the segments, but C doesn't, because A and B are controlling the size of that circle still. It's just that the circle is invisible. So the same constraints still work on these objects.